Hi, my name is CJ Devgun. I also go by CJ, and my professional friends call me cleaner. Why? Because I clean up the mess. I came to US with big dreams of living in big mansions, driving expensive cars, taking exotic vacations. But when I landed here in 1991 to pursue my MBA, the goal was that I would work in the morning and then in the evening I will go to school. But I soon realized that for a young professional who has no work experience and an undergrad degree in physics, there were not that many opportunities. I went back to India to pursue a higher degree in information technology. I came back and fulfilled all my dreams. Over the last 30 years, I have successfully rescued multiple projects across different industry sectors. My clients are corporate leaders who recognize that they require outside help to assess and improve their project delivery organization. The techniques that I teach and use are industry and technology agnostic. What that means is that you can use these techniques to deliver any kind of project in any industry. My goal is to equip you with tools to help you grow in the project management profession. I will teach you techniques that will enable you to consistently deliver successful projects. I offer three primary services. Number one, I help organizations and their leaders turn around their troubled technology projects using agile and user-centric techniques. Number two, I coach and train to help you build a high-performing, mature, yet agile project management organization that can consistently deliver the desired outcomes. And number three is for the young professionals, individuals who are looking to build a career in the project delivery profession. Whether it is Scrum Master, Product Owner, Business Analyst, any role that is directly contributing to helping you deliver a successful project. I promise you, when you work with me, I will do whatever it takes for you to meet your goals. I'm confident that if you do what you're taught and you stay the course, then you will be on a fast track to achieve all your dreams. Having worked in this industry for 30 years, I know for a fact that there is a huge demand for skilled and competent project managers and project delivery professionals. And this gap is only going to widen over the coming years. Why I do what I do? Because I am passionate about helping individuals reach their goals just like I did. Don't waste any more valuable time to figure out on your own how to turn around a troubled project. Get in touch with us today.